Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel and time to talk tweaks. So for those who already using the new jailbreak on the Unc0ver jailbreak on iOS 13 up to 13.3, and for the most people who using the Checkra1n jailbreak starting from iOS 12.4 up to iOS 13.3.1. For those who already using the jailbreak, here is some top new jailbreak that I want to share with you guys. As always guys, before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks. Number one on my list will be the VolumePercent. This will be allow you and make you to customize the volume hood in your jailbroken device. If you guys can take a look right now here, that I have the percentage here in different kind of color, even the one that I have here at the top. Let me show you guys. This is how it's gonna be looks like, just like that. You can take a look at it. Anyway, let's go ahead right now and navigate to under the settings to see what we have there. So you can go ahead and color the text color, and also you can play around of course with a font here if you want to, and also we have another section if you want to enable the text color for the top one, because you guys know that we have one on the top and the other one will be inside the hood. So you can customize the both, and then you can change the font for the both, the font size, and even if you want to change that into the vertical. Once you're done from all those configuration, go ahead and apply all the changes, and this is will be respring your device, so your device will be take the effect. Anyway, this one, if you guys looking to download this one called the VolumePercent. Moving right now to talking about the next one. The next one will be called the MeltedCrayons. So this will be add the any kind of at work wallpaper once you launch your Spotify or your music application from near. You guys can take a look right now here. I don't have that much music. This is not my daily driver, but to showing you guys how is that will be looks like. So just download the tweak and you will see the background will be match the artwork that comes with the song that you listen for. So you can take a look right now here. It wasn't like the Apple stock here. This is how is the tweak will be provide you with. If you want to play your song, this is how it's gonna be looks like. Anyway, so once you download the tweak comes with no configuration. Just go ahead, download the tweak, and as I show you guys, once you want to listen or pressing on the play button, everything will be changed, and this is what the tweak will be provide you with. If you guys looking to download that tweak, as I told you, the tweak called the MeltedCrayons. Let's go ahead right now to talking about the next Cydia tweak, PerfectTimeXS. You guys can take a look right now here. Let me showing you guys the time here that I have. It wasn't like the Apple stock. This is how it's gonna be the style, and even you can add some customized style if you want to navigate to under the settings. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to talking about some settings here. If you want to show the location, you can toggle that, and also the crash here enabled. If you want to enable that, enable the section for the hour and the minutes. If you want to change the font size, if you want to change the vertical size, if you want to use the bold font, if you want to add some other stuff, if you want for the second part, because we have one part at the top, and then you can enable or disable any kind of part. So you can have it like one or two, one in the top, the other one in the bottom, and you can do the same kind of stuff, enable, and then you can use the format, you can change the font size, you can use the vertical offset, and also as I told you guys, showing you guys, you can use the bold text and so on. If you want to make it 1 up to 4, it comes with 4 different kind of section. Once you're done from all those configuration, respring your device, and then you can take a look right now here. This is how is the time will be looks like. The tweak will be only for the A12, A13 devices, for devices who has the notch on it, because this is how is the time will be looks like once you download that tweak. Anyway, this one will be called PerfectTimeXS. Moving right now to talking about the next one, and the RespringX will be make your device to respring if you want to kill the background. And also there is another section for the UI cache, and also if you want to go to the safe mode to download, remove something like that. This is what the tweak will be provide you with once you install it. This is how it's going to be looks like. There is no configuration, just go ahead and you can navigate that directly from under the settings. Anyway, this one will be called the RespringX. Moving right now to talking about the next Cydia tweak, talking about Cydia and how about we can bring the dark mode into Cydia application. I mean, in my opinion, if it's gonna be, I can turn everything right now into the dark mode. The whole thing on my phone, it comes with the dark mode except Cydia. So what about if we can bring that the dark mode into Cydia? With Turkey, you can do that. So download the tweak. Will be allow you to turn Cydia into the dark mode just like that. You can take a look right now how it looks like. I mean, in my opinion, it's much cleaner right now in matching the most thing that I have on my phone. So if you go ahead and download the tweak comes with no configuration. Just go ahead, download the tweak. Once you're done, respring your device, launch Cydia, and this is how Cydia will be looks like. Comes with the dark mode in your iPhone. Once again, this one will be called Turkey. Anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, in today's update. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy most the tweaks that I show you already. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.